Hello? Today, I'm thinking of recreating the scene of repotting a Yulma plant using our beautiful steel Deco pot picks. Now, today's main characters are the braided girl, the cute cat, and the ballerina. I will show you how to repot using these 3 pot picks. The soil is unique, isn't it? Here we have fertilizer that looks like pellets. I sprinkle this in my garden in the spring. Then the flowers bloom better and the plants become much healthier, making them very resistant to pests and diseases. It would be good to buy a container of this and use it regularly. I will also try mixing it with the potting soil here. This potting soil is actually recycled soil taken from pots where plants had died. So I will try mixing it with some better potting soil. Now, it seems well mixed with the fertilizer. Then I will explain how to use our steel Deco pot pick. When repotting, first, cut this and place it at the bottom here to prevent the soil from falling out just a little. So, when removing this pot, press it gently as it is soft. Then the pot comes out smoothly and place it in here. When you put it in, as you can see now, there is almost no gap, so it's hard for the soil to fall through. There is a good method for that. It's the steel Deco pot pick. By using this to press down, the soil that was full is now like this. Can you see it? Then let's try it one more time. Since there are many gaps in the soil, but to eliminate them, we remove the voids focusing on the variable. Shall we take a look? Now, it's about halfway done. And the reason we have a lot of pest problems is because the soil and the tree are constantly in contact with water, which leads to many pest issues. Cutting the Yulma cleanly by about this much is also a secret to growing it healthily. How is it? It may have gotten a bit smaller, but it can grow very healthily. It's become a bit tidier here, hasn't it? If the leaves here keep touching the soil, there's a high possibility of disease. If it becomes like this, when you water it from above, the potting soil will keep floating up. So, to prevent it from floating, cover it like this using washed gravel. Ta-da! The repotting is complete. Once the repotting is complete, what do you do? Thank you for watching. This completes the repotting. Now I will demonstrate it again without explanation. Ta-da! Soft and squishy. Place this and fill it with soil. Then, using a pot pick, you remove the air pockets around the center. There, it's done like this. Then, place the washed gravel on top like this. With that, the second pot is also complete. I'll place this ballerina figure here. Since we recycled the pot, its condition is quite poor. This has been sealed with silicone, so no more foreign substances can be removed. So let's try it in this state. Soft and smooth. After doing this, if you first add some soil, I'll add it. And then if you add it like this, with the soil in this state, since the sides are particularly dense, use a pot pick on the sides, and it will go in smoothly. How about giving it another spin, spin, spin? Looks good, right? Rotate the washed gravel. Then this is also completed. Our braided hair girl. So today we used Yulma and some leftover pots to repot, welcoming spring with freshness like this. How do you like it? Don't you also want to try repotting today? Goodbye.